Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when we're part of a team. Everything is awesome when we're living our...
Hello! Today we have a first episode of my new series called the Lego Train. So, Lego Train, yeah. It is the SigFig train. Here are all the SigFigs what I made. So let's just start with them. This is me, as you know. This is from last videos. This is the Henry Productions. Here we have a new one. It's called Brick Fan. Here we have the Lush Bricks. Here is Elliot Bricks. Here is H2 brick. Yeah. Then here we have Jastifer, the Lego nerd. Yeah. Here we have What's Up. I didn't have really the same. I didn't have the torso, so it is similar. Also, I didn't had the hair from the H2 brick, but it's similar. And here we have one of the newest one, and that is Roblox Claw. This is the torso, as you can see. It's not the best, but it's similar. And here we have behind him Scout Brick Customs, his SigFig, Panda SigFig. So this is the SigFig train. I'm gonna make more SigFigs, but you need to know that I haven't got all the parts for every SigFig, so you can try to request and also describe what does it have, which color of the hair, what is the hairstyle, you know, everything. And also notice I haven't got so many minifigure series 9, I haven't got them, so I have some other torsos who are not from the minifigure series, and I will try to make you if you request or not, but if I have the parts. So this is all for today. Comment, like and subscribe, because every subscriber will get a shout out. Yeah, in my shout out video. That is all, and see you in the next video.